Hey everyone, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today we will talk about how we should prepare ourselves for the fall and what we should wear. First of all, I would like to start with the design of the suit. I will explain what this means. Yesterday I went to work and met a lot of women wearing the same type of clothing. All of them were in tight pants. Starting from the size 48 and up, if you want to wear a tight jeans, you need an oversized top. And when I see a size 60 women in a tight-fitting t-shirts and jeans, I feel really bad. Therefore, the first advice for today: if the pants are tight, then the shirt should be oversized. Please remember it and don't do this mistake again. Otherwise, you look like naked in front of society in that type of clothing. Because if you undress us, nothing will change. I wish our students didn't wear that. Next, big sleeves and fluffy skirts are in fashion now. This type of clothing is suitable for thin girls. But when the size is over 50, then such things should be worn neatly. Next information for those who like puffy sleeves, as well as I do. I don't do it for myself, because I live at work, and such sleeves will make me feel uncomfortable at my work. And now there is nowhere to go because of the quarantine. It is impossible for the clothes to be wide at the top and bottom and the shoulders. It is very important. If you want to follow fashion, then you need to do it selectively. Because if you put on everything that is fashionable now and think that it immediately became so cool on you, this is not true. Before quarantine, I was in France and noticed that all French girls wear a coat so that the dress can be seen from it. Thanks to this, we can wear long skirts and dresses in winter. But before we were dependent on what kind of outwear we have. We began our review of this book, Fashion Illustrations. Books like this helps to find your own style and new trends. So, wait for it. By the way, we still have cashmere in our online fabric store. Therefore, you have time to buy it. The quality is very good. I bought it in Italy. To sum it up, 2020 is a tough year, and we went through stress. And the difficulties are not over yet, so we must not lose hope. If you are thinking about why I need a new dress if there is nowhere to go in quarantine, these are bad thoughts. Please change this way of thinking. I was also worried about that when the quarantine began. The Philharmonic is closed, the theater is closed, the concert halls are closed, but I have a new dress, and this means that someday I will wear it. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!